So this is what it looks like here. We got, of course, our green wire, as we just did. That is our GPIO wire pinned into GPIO 17. Goes down here. Is in line with our longest leg of our red LED light, and pinned into 40, as we can remember. And yeah, it's in line on the outside rail, the same rail as our GPIO 17, pinned into 40. In line with our longest leg of our LED. We'll go to our resistor. Resistor is in line with our shortest leg of our LED, but on the outside of the longest leg of our LED, so we don't blow our light, of course. And we got our purple GND wire that is in line with that second pin of the resistor, of course, once again on the outside of the LED, and goes to the GND label. Okay, so that is recap. Let's just do the second light now. So that's what it looks like again. We have the GPIO pin. I should show you down here instead. GPIO pin 6. Camera be focused a little bit. GPIO 6, there we go, is in line right here with the longest leg of our LED light. We got a shortest leg of the LED light in line with the first pin of our resistor. The second pin of our resistor is in line with our GND male-to-male wire pin. Of course, that goes out around to the GND. All right, so that is our setup. That is 2 LED lights that we're going to be using. Please focus, camera, perfect. And now we're going to move on to Thonny and program this with Python, okay? Okay, so this is the programming on Thonny Python for 2 LED lights. So I got hashtagged out my name and the program we're going to be doing. So this program will be just, we can just say 2 LED lights. Stuff and shells is from earlier, so we can just omit that. So we'll type in from GPIO 0, import LED. Then next will be from time import sleep. Below that we'll declare our LEDs, so my LED 1 and my LED 2. The first one's in GPIO 17, as we remember, and the other one's in GPIO 27. So then we'll type it out just like the buzzer, like we done. My LED 1, dot on, open bracket, close bracket, sleep on, so we'll keep the sleep for a second. The same thing with LED 2, we'll turn that on for a second, and then we'll turn them both off after that second is up. So we'll just we just got to hit run from there, and then after that, we'll say hit stop. Make sure to save it as well. And that's it. Okay, guys, now so we got the programming done in Thonny Python. We are ready to get this going here. Of course, we got on our Raspberry Pi monitors all set. We will go to run, and let's see what this looks like. So I'll click run. It's on. Get the off. It's in 3-second sleep. Then off again. That's it. Very simple. Now let's move on to the final piece, which will be our button.